Hello. So we're going to jump into how to create a banner on Canva for TikTok lives using your computer. So we're just going to quickly get to this right away. I'm going to add this. I'm going to make me itty bitty, okay, in the corner. So this is what it looks like. And we're going to open up we're going to go to the create or home. You can do it either way. Create, custom size. Can I drag my little face? No, I can't. I can't do it over here. Can I do it over here? Can we drag my face? Hold on a second. Oh, we don't want to do that. Let's just leave me right where I am. Okay. So we're going to make it 19 by 20 or 1920 by 1080. That is the size that we want. So we're just going to, I could just click on it. Okay. And it'll open it up. Here is our background. We can select it. We can come up here to the circle. We can choose a black background. Then we can select it, get rid of this thing. Just click anywhere. And then on the left, okay, we can choose add a text box. And I'm going to show you two different things that you can do. Now you can drag this, or you could go up here and select to make it bigger. You see that? Or you can simply drag it. I mean, dragging it is a lot faster in my opinion, but there's so many different ways that you can get the same result, okay? So everybody, you could usually do two different paths. But anyways, let's get to this. So if I'm in the make money online space, I could type in make money just like that. Then I would center it. And there you go. There's a little banner that I could actually share. So I could tap on share. I could download that. I would change it to a JPG and I would click download. Now that's downloading. I'm going to show you how to do a different kind of banner. Okay. Now this banner is going to be, the background's going to be white. The text, we're going to come back up here, select the text to black. And then we have a different inverted banner, but here's the difference. I'm going to click share. I'm going to click download. I'm going to select PNG and select a transparent background. Then I'm going to select download. Now, what I'm going to say is this. So I'm going to show you, I actually have both of those banners. Okay. Now I am going to come over into where I am right now teaching this, and let's remove this. Okay. And then I'm going to put me to the side, and I'm actually going to upload both of those things we just created. And I'm going to share with you what that looks like. Okay. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to upload them. I'm going to show you the first one, and then I'm going to show you the second one, and you're going to see the difference between them right here. So this is what the first one looks like. I just uploaded it. It is a banner that you can use, okay? A picture, a banner, depending on if you're using your phone or if you're using your computer, okay? Now you could use this. See this? Now that's a transparent, what we call a transparent background. This one has the solid back. This one is just the actual font. We don't see the white, that background that we had, because when we exported it, that, which means when we downloaded it, when we took it out of, let me get my face bigger. When we downloaded that out of Canva, we saved it as PNG. We downloaded it as a PNG transparent background. That's why when I click on it like this, it comes up just like this, just the font. So this gives you options. You could have a solid back, or you could have a transparent back. Okay. I hope that this video helps you.